So, I'm hoping you can see this. Just move that up out of the way. We have welded. You can see the difference. Spent of £2.99 on 5 new tips from a welder. Been using the same tip. In fact, I'm sure I can do with another wee bit there. This bit I welded with the old tip, fighting it all the way, and these guys. And I tacked this, and the tip gave up the ghost altogether. It's a wee bit different. It's solid. Not going anywhere. And to give it a wee bit of a wire brush just to check the edges are good. Because that, I don't know if you can see, there's a looks like a tiny crack. I think it's just the edge of the weld, it's not the edge of the metal. It's looking good. Eyes on the end of my finger for the other side. Yes. Solid. Which is what's required. Good and solid. I'm happy with that. I'm going to put a wee plate in here. Be careful not to burn the plastic when I weld it in. I don't think I'll weld it right up to the edge of the plastic. I'll stop just off of it. It would be a shame to weaken the plastic bracket unnecessarily. Hopefully we never need to go into this again, but that'll see the van out. Progress. I missed this in the last video. I'm ready to paint. Once I get those patches on, I'll get the paint brushes in and we will paint. Oh, I haven't got my torch with me. So I'm hoping it's not too dark for you. I'm going to under seal in here and then get nice blue paint on the outside. I need to sand it down first. And then we'll under seal. I think just under seal this. It had this plastic stuff on it, so it'll give a good under carpet protection. And then I'll need to lie underneath and do the grate. Paint it right above my head. It's in a wee narrow tunnel that leads up from underneath. You can see the edge of the tank right here. There's barely room for me to get my arm in. And painting above your head's always great, but if I want to see what I'm doing, I'm going to be risking getting underseal in the face. Fun. That's where we're at. Alright, that's enough for now.